Our journey begins deep in the mountain terrain of Central Asia, the land's beginning and first monotheism, a home to widely known and recognized Dr. Ibn Sina, acclaimed scientists, astronomers, philosophers, and poets, Al-Biruni, Rudaki, Firdausi, Khayyam, connecting bridge of the Great Silk Road and one of the most desired destinations of Alexander the Great. Today, this place is known as Tajikistan, the land of the crown wearers. Being a guest-loving nation, Tajikistan welcomes tourists from all over the world, offering visa-free entrance to more than 60 countries and easily obtainable electronic visas for over 121 countries. There are many historical attractions to ancient archaeological excavations, fortresses, and UNESCO heritage sites. The country is a promoter of ecotourism and provides with many types of hiking, camping, and cycling tours. Among the many famous attractive destinations are the Peak Somoni, Pechenka Glacier, and Iskandarkul. One of our country's main priorities is to develop its unique potential of hydropower and mining resources, which are currently shaping our green and environmentally clean tomorrow. Possessing with over 60% of all clean water resources of Central Asia, which can potentially provide for 600 gigawatts of clean hydro energy generation, makes Tajikistan the region's main hydro energy source. However, only utilizing 6% of our potential presents us with many opportunities in further expansion and development. The jewel of Tajikistan is the Rogun hydropower plant with capacity of 3.6 gigawatts. Rogun's importance and significance has been supported by many countries and international organizations, describing it as a centerpiece of Tajikistan's development strategy and highlighted its role in spurring economic growth. Rogun's energy generation will fully cover the needs of the country and will also be exported to the neighboring countries in the region, creating the much-needed balance. One of the frontline enterprises promoting sustainability of the environment is the Tajik Aluminum Company. The smelter is one of the few certified producers in the world which operates on environmentally clean hydro energy, strongly supporting the country's stance on reducing the carbon footprint. Tajikistan is considered to be contributing to the global climate change agenda through established strategies of hydro generation. With primary emphasis on green energy and industry, Tajikistan has set its foot in becoming the region's main advocate for CO2 emissions reduction. Furthermore, the country plans on expanding and transforming hydro into an alternative and movable source of energy, hydrogen. The government of Tajikistan has set its fourth national strategy for rapid industrialization, targeting the development of the mining sector as one of its key aspects. Possessing with large deposits of silver and potentially over 50% of the world's antimony reserves, Tajikistan's treasures include over 600 deposits and almost all the elements of the chemical periodic table in its bowels of earth: zinc, tin, copper, lead, tungsten, lithium, nickel, and a Klondike of rare earth metals, giving an advantage and potential of creating one of the world's leading mining and metallurgical clusters. Despite all, Tajikistan's geological reserves are only 5% explored, making mining the most attractive and prospective sector of investments in the country. Almost 20% of the country's GDP is directed at the industrial sector, and to emphasize its importance, 2022 up to 2026 have been declared as years of industrial development by the government. Full-cycle textile clusters, innovations, industrial and IT parks are expected to be completed within the next 5 years. Tajikistan's landscape is 93% mountainous, yet the agricultural sector of the country is very well developed, with cotton, organic vegetables, and fruits irrigated and produced in the country, including rapidly increasing high volumes of exports of organic agricultural products. Tajikistan's annual economic growth has averaged over 7% in the past 20 years, and the World Bank forecasts continuous growth, highest among the neighboring countries. Tajikistan has created free economic zones and provides with over 100 incentives in several sectors for creation of comfortable investment climate. The country is a permanent member of the World Trade Organization and the New York Convention to ensure investments protection. Tajikistan's geolocation is considered the heartbeat of the continent and has been the centerfold of the world's history and development. Today, 60% of the population is under 30 years old. Tajikistan's young generation has access to half of the world, modern resources, and is utilizing them in creating a better tomorrow, going only forward.
Tajikistan Overview.
Welcome to Tajikistan.